Hello again, thanks for looking in on Terry's Travels channel. Today we're walking up Glen Fyne, just at the top of Loch Fyne. And we're heading up towards a reservoir at the top. It's about 16 kilometres away. And we've really hit it lucky today because the weather, you can see, is absolutely brilliant. I'll leave the map at the end in case you want to do this walk, but it looks pretty straightforward. Tarmac at present, and then Land Rover track. The views are gorgeous, highland cows, rivers running by, and there's a further back there, there's a pub, a brewery, and lots of tables. We might even sample it for a quick shandy or something on the way back down. So turn it round, let's see where we're going again. I hope you enjoy the walk. Dunn Deer Farm. Okay, let's look over the wall at them. Oh. First cook of the year. We're walking today up Glen Fyne. Just up from Loch Fyne. At this point we branch off and keep on the better road. Wow. Yes, why 3 stories high? Now we've got to take the branch up to the right. This part from the hydro station is fairly tough, but again it's on good road, so there's no problem from that point of view, but it's quite a climb up the last bit. You can see where we've come. It's quite steep coming up there, fairly steep, but you just plod on. So there we go. Round this corner, not much further I think, and that's us there at the reservoir. Lunchtime. Oh, the end is in sight. There it is, the dam at the end of the reservoir. 5 minutes, 6 minutes we'll be up there, so that'll be a 2-hour walk up to here from down where we parked the car. like a little waterfall. Hey, Will. It's amazing the things you miss on the way up. I don't remember seeing this. And here it is, fantastic new waterfall. Whew. Now that will be good for a wee swim. I think I can only hear what's going on, I can't really see much.
Isn't that far up the road? And look, it feels further than it is.
From here?
Well, when you're walking it, but
Yeah.
when you look back, it's not that far.
It's no distance. Oh, don't forget to do the usual things like subscribe. I could do with a few more subscribers. I'd quite like to get to 800 subscribers